Hi, this is Space, aka Michael Gouldy, cooking with Michael Gouldy, Space, whatever. Anyway, we're gonna make a tasty meal today. This is the ingredients that I'm putting into the meal. I'm also gonna put some flour tortillas, but we're gonna make a tasty sauce. We're gonna add some cheese. We're gonna do some beans and some other stuff. But you can subdivide this meal out, and if you want to eat vegan, you can eat vegan, or you can eat combined, or you can eat just the meat and take out the beans and just do bacon, I guess. Anyway, it's whatever you want, and we're gonna have this tasty drink over there. Check it out at Vegan Works with Michael. I just made it. So, and it's going to be put into the sauce also a little bit. So, we'll check it out and have a nice day. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the beans and put the beans on, and then we're going to put the sauce. That way it can be all vegan. So if you're vegan, you can stop then. If you're vegan, you might check out my Vegan Works with Michael. It's a new channel I have. That's the drink over there. It's all vegan. And if you're not vegan and you want to be combined, I'm going to put some bacon and cheese on this. What's animal product. And if you are a carnivore and just want bacon and sauce and cheese, you can do that too. But my voice that serves this to voice people around me, she copies everything and gives people their individual meal. Okay, we'll keep going. This is the vegan part meal if you want. This is the sauce and the bean burrito, beans, refried beans, a flour tortilla. I guess flour tortilla might not be vegan. I don't know. Anyway, and you could have that with my drink, which is also vegan. But I'm going to make it not vegan. I'm going to add cheese and bacon and other things to it. Here is the vegan part as my drink. What's vegan? And beans and sauce. What's vegan, but it's tasty. And if you just like that, you can do that. Or if you want to add, I'm going to add bacon and cheese to it because I like cheese and I like bacon a lot. And I'm not vegan fully. And so I'm going to put 3 slices of bacon and microwave that and add some cheese. Okay, this is with some cheese. It should be tasty bean sauce and cheese burrito, but I'm going to add some bacon now. And I have my Vegan Works drink. Check out that video on that channel if you could. And we appreciate you watching this video too. Click like and subscribe if you haven't. And if you like more videos or something else, tell me what you want, and maybe I can make it. But if it sucks, it's not my fault. Okay, this is the bacon in the microwave. Okay, so I like some bacon with my burrito, or this tasted good yesterday when I made it. So this is my bacon. So we're gonna cook it now in the microwave. And I need to make sure I close the door because my roommate gets mad at me for not closing the door. I might need to clean that too. Anyway, this is the bacon cooked. I'm going to try to find the affiliate link for the microwave dish I guess I used. It's my roommate's. Anyway, I hope she doesn't get mad at me for using it. And we're going to let it cool for a little bit. And I'm going to put on the burrito. And I have a Coke here also if you're not vegan and you just want bacon, cheese, and sauce sandwich, you could do that and have a Coke, or you could just have a Coke. And if you're vegan too, you can. Anyway, I go to church. I buy by the month at the 7-Eleven. Anyway, this is the cooked bacon, and it's ready for the burrito. And I have a Coke from a big double gulp from 7-Eleven, and I'll be drinking that also. It'll last me the whole day though. Anyway, we appreciate you watching. If you like this so far, click like and subscribe. And if you want to, check out Vegan Works. That's my new channel. And my other channels listed in when you look at the my and if there's any, and you can search by Michael Gulde and find out more stuff I have. Anyway, and we appreciate you watching and have a great day. This is this is the finished product, all rolled up and ready to eat. We're gonna try it out and see if it tastes good. Bacon's crunchy, lean tasty, sauce pretty good. I think we did an okay job. Check out my other videos, cooking videos, and I appreciate you watching. If you want me to make something, leave it in the comments. Click like and subscribe, and we appreciate you. Have a great day. Tasty. This is a done, but not folded up. And this is what it looks in the front. Looks nice and tasty, nice and bacon, cheese, and bean. Thank you for watching. Click like or not like, and subscribe. Click subscribe, and also check out the other videos on my channel in their playlist. I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate your time that you spent. Please give me more ideas and comments. Check out my Patreon, patreon.com, Michael Gouldy. If I know see in California, I make VIP meals, or I can help you do something for a cost. I am low income.